very interesting, and I will surely go back home with a last memories and a lot of more courageous because of you guys, because of courage you're showing us, and because of the energy I'm feeling here every day. I'm looking forward to be meeting baby Umurage and his family, of course, in the national park. I'm looking forward to be coming back here in Rwanda to feel the energy. But on behalf of Arsenal Football Club and myself,
the First Lady, Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, my fellow neighbors, it's an honor to be here. My name is Yemi Alade. I came all the way from Nigeria, and it is an honor to be here in Rwanda, in Kinigi. I am honored to name my baby gorilla Kundwa. Kundwa means loved.